Hello friends, Har Har Mahadev. Good morning to everyone. Jai Shiv Shankar, Jai Shri Bholenath. So today right now I am at Har Ki Pauri in Haridwar. So where I have come to visit the Har Ki Pauri and we can see the view here. It is really as amazing as I had heard about this place from my friend's mouth. So I have no words how to describe it in my own words. It's really very unique place and very amazing place where I am getting some experience from here. So these cities we discussed about lots of things about this city in previous video. So I am going to explain something about in short because Har Ki Pauri is so popular here and lots of temples and historical place which is famous in Haridwar, such as the मनसा देवी टेम्पल, श्री माँ चांदी देवी टेम्पल और नील पर्वत, भारत माता मंदिर, माया देवी मंदिर, दक्ष महादेव टेम्पल, श्री चिंतामणि, पार्श्वनाथ जैन टेम्पल. These are the most popular temple in Haridwar which I have to still visit. So I am right now at the Har Ki Pauri in Haridwar. So let's see the view of the bridge, river front of Ganga, and really it's a very sacred place for us. So because of we know about that, first of all that Har Ki Pauri, first time it was legendary King Bhagirathi is said to have brought the river Ganges from heaven to earth in order to provide salvation to his ancestors. After that, King Vikramaditya is said to have built the Har Ki Pauri in the 1st century to honor his brother Bhartrhari. So then the Adhisthari deity of Haridwar is goddess Maya, who is believed to be incarnation of Shakti, considered one of the Shakti Pith of India. And these places was visited by the many more rulers and kingdoms during the ancient times, such as the Yudhishthir, sage Agastya Muni, sage Kapil Muni, Hinsong, Guru Nanak, and Guru Nanak at Kusawar Ghat, and Mughal Emperor Akbar, who also drank water which is called the water of immortality. And in last Mansin of Amir laid the foundation stone of present day city of the Haridwar and also renovated the ghats at Har Ki Pauri. After his death, who also ashes was said to have been immersed at Brahma Kund. So it's one of the sacred place for us. So right now I am just exploring the Haridwar, every river front in Haridwar. So let's see. You can see how it is the view of this place. Really it's a very unique place ever I am getting the experience here. So how the rivers water is flowing from here, so definitely. And in Haridwar you can get the lots of parts of the Ganges here and there in Haridwar. 3 to 4 parts of the Ganges we can get here easily, every places and each and every corner in Haridwar. And one of the Lord Shiva tallest statue which is also visible from the here where I am also going to see. So I just came to in front of the Lord Shiva highest and tallest temple, which is a statue which is located in Haridwar. So let's see the view of the Lord Shiva statue. ओम त्र्यंबकं यजामहे सुगंधिं पुष्टिवर्धनं पूर्वारुकं संस्थितां मृत्युमूर्तिममृताम्. ओम नमः शिवाय, ओम नमः शिवाय, ओम नमः शिवाय. हर हर महादेव. जय जय शिव शंकर, जय श्री भोलेनाथ. Even Sri Bajrang Bali flag is also here, and we know about this Bajrang Bali Hanuman is also the incarnation of Lord Shiva. Even Sunny Dev is also the incarnation of Lord Shiva. So both are the incarnation of Lord Shiva. So I am going to chant some mantra which is from Srimad Bhagavad Gita. So the first mantra of the Srimad Bhagavad Gita is the, we know about very well, Dharma Kshetre Kurukshetre Samveta Yututsawa Mamata Pandava Seva Kim Kuruvata Sanjaya. This is the first sloka of the Srimad Bhagavad Gita. After that, one of the most popular sloka is from chapter number 4, I think 9 and 8 sloka. So यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानि भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तद्मनां सजामि मह्यम् परिणात्राय साधूनां विनाशाय च दृष्टिकाम धर्म संस्थापनाय संभवानि युगे युगे. This is the one of the most popular sloka of the Srimad Bhagavad Gita. After that again another sloka is सर्वधन परित्यज्य मार्मेन शरणम वज्र अधम धव सर्वप्यामि भयो मुच्ययामि मा शुचः. So another mantra is that कर्मणे कर्मणे वाहि कर्णस्व मा फलेषु कदाचन मा कर्तुफल हेतु भूमो ते सुगे अस्त कर्मये. So it is one of these are the most popular sloka of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. So we can see our national flag tricolor Tiranga, which is also unfurling here at the just back of the Har Ki Pauri at this corner. Our tricolor Tiranga national flag. So let's see the view of this place. Really it's a very unique place also. So let's feel. And I have to visit lots of temples here. Already I explained about that, because I have to go to visit Rishikesh also. Even the Rishikesh is 22 kilometers away from the Haridwar, and in Rishikesh there are two railway stations. One of the Rishikesh Yognagri and one is the Rishikesh railway station. So Rishikesh, which is famous temples in Rishikesh are called as Shatrudhan temples, Sri Bharat Mandir, and Khanjapuri Devi temples, on Nilkant Mahadev temple, Bhutnath temple, Raghunath temple, Lakshman temple, Parmarth Niketan, Gita Bhavan, Swarg Nivas, and the Hanuman Mandir. And then Lakshman Jhula and Ram Jhula are also so popular in Rishikesh, which I have to go, because we know about it. Rishikesh is called as a international capital of yoga, and lots of foreigners are also coming in India and learning the yoga from the Rishikesh. We can get the lots of followers of Sanatan and Hinduism in the Rishikesh. So it is one of the most place. And just I also already I mentioned about that already. I had taken deep in the sacred river of Ganges at Har Ki Pauri, where I got first time here. So Jai Jai Gange, Har Har Gange Ma. So and then I have to visit the Kedarnath and Badrinath also from here, because the bus timing is from Haridwar to the Kedarnath, because the last bus is going from the bus timing is from Haridwar government bus stand close to the Rahi hotel. Bus is available from the Rahi hotel close to the bus stop of Haridwar, and we can get the buses for Badrinath and Kedarnath in morning from 3 a.m. to 8 a.m. So I will try to take my first bus for Sonprayag, because the buses for Kedarnath going from Haridwar to Sonprayag at Sitapur bus stand, and after that you have to go Gauri Kund, because Gauri Kund is located 5 kilometers away from the Sonprayag. And during our journey we can also see the view of the Panchprayag, such as the Rudraprayag, Devprayag, Karnaprayag, Vishnuprayag, Nanprayag during the yatra of Badrinath and Kedarnath. Devprayag is the confluence of the Alaknanda and Bhagirathi river, which made as a Ganges after Devprayag. And the Devprayag, Rudraprayag is the confluence of the Mandakini river and Alaknanda river. So there are also Panchprayag, already I explained about that. And along with Panchprayag there is also a Panchkedar also, which was every temples of Panchkedar established by the Pandavas to atone their sin after the battle of Kurukshetra in Mahabharata. So because Kedarnath temple was built by the Pandavas, and we can also get the statue and idols of the Pandavas, Draupadi, Vishnu and Lord Shiva idol, which is a Shivling as one of the Jyotirling of India. So and in back side of the temple in Kedarnath we will get the Samadhi resting place of the Adi Shankaracharya also, who was also a great spiritual master and first philosopher and one of the greatest philosopher of India, who established the renovated the temple of Kedarnath and Badrinath. So those both places he meditated, and even Kedarnath and Badrinath also meditated by the Nilkant Barni also, who adopted as a traveler Nilkant Barni, who travel across India from north to south, every places like Pandharpur, Rameswaram, Rishikesh, Dwarka and many more places in Gujarat, Nasik, Kedarnath, Badrinath and the Pasupatinath and Puri Jagannath temple. Who was born as a Ghanshyam Pandey in Chapiya village, which is located in Awadh region nearby Ayodhya. Who moved Ayodhya after that, who quit his home from Ayodhya at the age of 11, who traveled across the country. So, and then after that he considered and recognized as a Sri Narayan Swami. We know that Sri Narayan Swami temple is so popular in the world. So right now let's see the view of the Gange at Har Ki Pauri during the night time, because I love to visit in night at Har Ki Pauri, and lots of visitors and pilgrims are also coming to visit and see the view of Har Ki Pauri in night. It's looking so amazing and so beautiful in night compared to day, and still lots of persons are taking the bath into the river Ganges in night also. And right now the timing is I think 1 AM. Right now I am here. So let's see, this is the view of the Prachin Sri Ganga Ji Mandir at Brahmakund, Har Ki Pauri, Haridwar. It is one of the most beautiful temple, an ancient Ganga temple at Har Ki Pauri at Brahmakund, which is one of the sacred place. So everyone is to take bath here, because in night time there is not lots of crowd. So that's reason it is one of the best time to take sacred dip at Brahmakund. So I am also going to show everything regarding this temple, Brahmakund Ganga temple. So really, Jai Ma Gange, Har Har Gange, Jai Shri Ram, Jai Shri Krishna, Jai Shri Vishnu, Jai Shri Lakshmi Narayan. Har Har Mahadev, Jai Jai Shiv Shankar. आपदा मातरम दातरम सर्पतम पदाम लोकाभिराम श्री राम भूयो भूयो नमः भद्राय रामचंद्राय वेदसे नगुताय पते नमः नीलाम्बुज श्यामल सीता समितुमाभम नगुवंशनाथम। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। सर्वमंगल मांगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थ साधिके शरण्यं के गौरी नारायणी नमस्तुते। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो न प्रचोदयात्। So this is the idol of the goddess we can see inside the Ganga temple. So really it's a very good experience which I got inside the temple, and right now still I am exploring inside the temple. So another mantra is that about the Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare. This mantra was introduced by the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Nityanand Prabhu, who was born in Nadia in Navadvip, Mayapur. That is one of the largest Vedic planetarium temple, which is called as a headquarter of the ISKCON temple in Mayapur Dham in West Bengal, in Nadia district, Navadvip. And another mantra is of Vishnu, that is so popular, and that mantra is so let's see, this is a Jai Mahakali temple. A statue is here. Om Bhurida Bhuride no Madhavyam Bhuraya Bhura Bhuriditi Om Bhurida Pushta Putta Sudbitanan Ano Bhagaswarakshi. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Namaha. Om Vishnave Namaha. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare. Om Trambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivartanam Purvarupam Astantitam Mrityo Murti Amamritam. And one of the most popular Kali temple which I also visit in Kolkata, Dakshineshwar Kali temple, which is one of the Shakti Peeth of India, which place related with the Swami Vivekananda, who meditated there along with the Ma Sarda Devi and the Ramkrishna Paramhans, who are both are the great architecture and flowers of the goddess Kali. So really it is one of the best place wherever I got the experience here. Jai Shri Gange Ma. So really it's looking so amazing during the night view. You can see the night view of this temple, Ganga ancient temple at Har Ki Pauri Brahmakund. So tomorrow I will leave Haridwar and I will take the bus from Haridwar bus stand for Sonprayag, and let's see some persons are participating and performing the ritual dance.